AI has advanced and expanded so quickly over the last 3 to 4 years that it is nearly hard to quantify. When OpenAI introduced ChatGPT back in 2022, it immediately generated a lot of excitement. New AI technologies began to be released nearly daily after that. With the use of these tools, work that previously took hours, weeks, months, or even years can now be completed in a matter of seconds or minutes. Nowadays, Claude AI is one of the greatest AI solutions on the market and is utilized by people in practically every industry worldwide. This is our first Claude video titled How to Use Claude as a Beginner. In the coming days, inshallah, you'll see more videos about it where I'll also learn along with you and show you how we can use Claude in different fields and categories to do tasks we don't even have the knowledge or skills for, and do them in an extremely fast and smooth way. So bookmark this playlist because you'll find very useful content here in the coming days. Let's find out how beginners can use Claude and benefit from it. But before moving ahead, remember one thing. Claude is not just for one type of person. Whether you're a student, teacher, content creator, entrepreneur, businessman, housewife, shopkeeper, or running an online or offline business, Claude can make your work easier in every field, and you'll be amazed when you see how. So let's begin in the name of Allah. Simply open your browser and type Claude. The first website you'll see is Anthropic's Claude AI website. Open it. Log in using any Gmail account or create an account with any email. You can also install it on your laptop or PC, and it has a mobile app as well. Once you log in, you'll see an interface like this. Let me tell you that its basic usage is completely free. However, if you use it heavily, there are limits, and you'll get access again after some time. But trust me, even with the free version, you can earn money, become an expert in any field, learn skills, solve problems, fix coding errors, create resumes, applications, proposals, YouTube scripts, add copywriting, summaries, basically anything. It can work like Aladdin's lamp for you. This is the simple dashboard. When you click on the sidebar, you'll see your recent chats. On the right side, you'll get options like developing character profiles, creating interview questions, and many more prompts. Under Learn, Code, Life Stuff, and Claude's own suggestions, you'll find brainstorming ideas. The best part? You don't even need to type from scratch. When you hover your mouse over suggestions, prompts appear automatically. This helps beginners who don't know how to use AI or write prompts. Today, I'll take you from basic to advanced usage. Also, you're not limited to English. You can ask questions in any language, and Claude will respond in that same language. For example, if I'm a content creator and want to promote a wooden mobile stand, I can ask Claude in Odoo to create a reel script. I can mention product features and tell it to create a reel so compelling that viewers instantly place an order. You can write your prompt in English or Urdu, your choice. Once you submit it, Claude generates an amazing script. Not only that, it also suggests visuals for your video. For example, it might suggest showing someone sitting with their neck bent while holding a phone and looking tired. So Claude doesn't just give words, it gives video ideas too, which many AI platforms don't provide. Similarly, students can ask academic questions. Job seekers can create CVs. Interview candidates can prepare for interviews. Writers can create essays, blogs, articles, and news content. You can paste long website content and ask for summaries. Now let's talk about uploading images. When you click the plus icon, you'll see options like adding files and photos. You can upload screenshots, infographics, assignments, math problems, medical documents, or any image. For example, I uploaded an image and asked Claude in Odoo to analyze it and turn it into a YouTube script. After analyzing the image, Claude generated a complete script, including a title and detailed content. That's powerful. Now you might think, ChatGPT can also do all this. Yes, but what makes Claude different is that its responses often feel more human-like and less robotic. With some AI tools, the writing style feels obvious. But Claude often produces content that feels natural and human-written. Now let's talk about one of its most powerful features, artifacts. Click on Artifacts, New Artifact. Choose a category like Documents or Templates. This opens a separate window where Claude builds your project in real time. For example, I asked them to create a portfolio website for me. I told it, "My name is Faisal Shobi. I'm a content creator. I promote brands. Create a portfolio website with dummy packages." And it started coding immediately. I don't know coding, but Claude created a full website for me. If I had hired a developer for basic work like this, it could have cost a lot. It created my portfolio site, my skills section, packages, contact section, call to action buttons, and it also gave me the full code, which I could copy or download. You can even ask it to create websites, web apps, laptop apps, Android apps. Then I asked it to redesign the site using green and pink colors with animations, and it instantly updated everything. It even saved both versions, version 1 and version 2. That's what makes Claude stand out. Next feature, projects. You can create separate projects for YouTube, studies, business, medical work, etc. You can set instructions like always respond in bullet points, write in blog format, write in article format. You can also upload your own files and data, and Claude will use them before responding. Then there's Connect Your Apps. You can connect tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Figma, Notion, HubSpot, Booking.com. This allows Claude to access your files, emails, and workflows. There's also Create New Skills, where you can train Claude with your own documents or videos. Under Settings, you can give permanent instructions like don't be biased, always provide factual answers, use a certain tone. Claude will remember these preferences. It also stores your chat history, projects, and artifacts. You can type or even use voice prompts if you don't want to write. There are also tutorials available to help you learn more about Claude. This is the age of AI. Instead of wasting time scrolling endlessly, spend time learning AI. In the past, learning required changing cities, paying fees, joining courses, and dedicating lots of time. Now tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI are available to help you learn anytime. Install Claude on your laptop, Android phone, iPhone, tablet, or PC and use your free time to learn skills, solve problems, and gain knowledge. This was our short session on how to use Claude as a beginner. Today, Claude is one of the best AI tools available. It's not just a tool, it's like Aladdin's lamp. You can write content, summarize information, solve problems, do programming, build websites, create apps, anything. The better you guide it, the better results it gives. Let me know in the comments how you like this session and what topic you want the next Claude video to cover. Tell me what field you belong to and what problems you're facing. And inshallah, I'll try my best to help you. If you liked the video, please like and share it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the bell icon.